Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Information in Our Life. Students, let's start the class. We receive a lot of information every day. This information is increasing at a rapid pace. Some information is correct, but some are incorrect. We need to acquire the proper skill to find, understand, evaluate and use information. Dear students, to find the correct information, you have to acquire proper skill. Now, information is very important for our life. Information enables us to know something new and to decide what to do. Therefore, we have to know and share information among us. Information sharing is an activity through which information is exchanged and among friends, families and other people. It can help people to keep safe, promote their well-being and prevent harm. Dear students, see here is picture. By talking, people is sharing the information. And there is the picture of playing cricket ground and we can get the information through the media, and there is the picture of weather forecast. That means if any cyclone is happening, creating on the Bay of Bengal or other ocean, we can get the forecast from the media. That means on radio or television, on Facebook, Twitter also. Now go to next point. Importance of sharing information in our personal, social and national life is immense. For example, when any contagious disease like flu goes around our country like this time, the information would be shared through media to reduce the risk of that flu. Like that, now we are listening the news of COVID-19 on the television, on the social media. Like that way, here is saying about any flu. If meteorologists forecast that there will be a tidal upsurge, this news should be shared through different media so that life and assets of the many coastal people can be saved. National assets like fishing boat and cargo of the sea can be saved by finding a safe place. We can share information in many ways, such as having a talk with others or writing letters. Today, information and communication technology, that means ICT, is common tool that help people share information. Computer, internet, email, TV, radio and mobile phone are the examples of ICT. Look students, there is the picture. In the picture, somebody is using computer they are contacting with other who is using computer on the other side of the earth. And here another people is stay here in the three people who is stay in different parts of the earth. They are contact with each other by using the internet and computer also. That means they are using the ICT. ICT makes it easier for people to communicate with others and collect, store, exchange, spread or use information. Now we are going to our next point. The next point is collection, storage and exchange of information. First point is how to collect information through internet. Students, you have to know this so carefully because it is so important for you. From this part you will get question answer. So learn this part so carefully. We can collect information by using books, newspapers, TV or radio. The internet enables us to collect information more easily. The internet is a huge network of computers together all over the world. We can collect information. We need to throw the internet by using computers or mobile phones. Besides, we can share our innovation and collection information with the help of internet also. The following are the basic steps for collecting information through the internet. First step, use search engines such as Google, Yahoo or Pipilika. Second step is type keywords relevant to the topic you are searching for into the search bar and click search or press the enter key on your keyboard. Third step is search through the list of web pages to find the information you need. Our fourth step is repeat above 3 steps as necessary or choose new keywords that are more or less specific and thus search the information you need. Students, I think you are habituated with these 3 steps because you are using laptop, mobile phone and computer at home frequently. Now we are going to our second point, that means how to store information. First we collect the information, now we have to store these information. After web search, we can store the information by taking a note on a notebook or paper, taking picture or shooting a video. Today we use storage device such as pen drive, CD, DVD, memory card, etc. to store the information. Students, here is the pictures of, this is the pen drive, this is memory card, this is CD and DVD, and this is computer and mobile phone which is used to collect the information. Now we are going to the third part, that means first we collect, then we store, now we have to exchange the information. How to exchange information using technology? As we learned in grade 4, that means in class 4 we have learned about information technology. We can exchange information with others by using technology. For example, we talk with people by using telephone or mobile phone. We exchange information by writing letters too. We can also share information by taking picture or making video with cameras. Nowadays, we can exchange information through emails, short message service, that means SMS, social networking service, that means SNS, like Facebook or Twitter, using the internet. Now students, we have finished the chapter. Now we will solve some fill in the blanks from the chapter. Students, first fill in the blanks. Information technology has dash our intellectual activity. It will be reduced. Our second question is, we can dash information using internet. We can exchange. Our third fill in the blanks is, pen drive is a dash. Pen drive is a portable memory. Our last fill in the blanks, the most modern technology is dash technology, that will be information technology. Dear students, I have gave some homework for you. You have to make fill in the blanks for as your homework from this chapter, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, if you don't understand anything, that time you can contact with me. On the board I have given my mobile number and messenger ID also. Now keep practicing, abide by your parents, do the homework and submit every Sunday on the school premises. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.